Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Today we will discuss important uses of metals and non-metals. If we talk about metals, then metals are used for making cooking utensils and water boilers like iron, copper and aluminium. They are good conductor of heat. That's why they are used for making water boilers and cooking utensils. In making electrical wires, we know copper and aluminium are used for making electrical cables because metals are good conductor of electricity. Some metals are used for packaging of food materials and medicines. Like aluminium foil is used for wrapping our food. In making body parts of vehicles like cars, trucks, all transport vehicles, aluminium being a lighter metal used for making body of aeroplane. In making machines, machinery tools like nut bolts, iron metal is widely used because they have high strength. Zinc for galvanization. Students, there is a process known as galvanization in which zinc is coated over iron to protect it from rusting. So depositing a layer of zinc over iron metals, iron articles, then this process is known as galvanization. So zinc is used in the process of galvanization. In making jewelry like silver and gold, they are having shiny appearance, so they are used for making ornaments. And mercury, we know, is used in thermometers for measuring temperature. If we talk about non-metals, then oxygen is the most commonly used non-metal for respiration, for breathing, and it is an essential component of combustion. Means if we want to burn something, oxygen is the most required element. Nitrogen is used in making fertilizers. We studied in crop production chapter that nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are the three basic important nutrients that soil must contain for good growth of plants. So making fertilizers, nitrogen is used. Chlorine is used in water purification. Chlorine is used for making water germs free, and purification is done with the help of chlorine. Iodine is used as antiseptics. If we are having cut or any wound, we use purple colored solution of iodine, tincture iodine, and it used as antiseptics. Sulfur in vulcanization. Vulcanization is a process in which sulfur is mixed with rubber to make it hard. So sulfur is used in this process so that rubber can be used into making some other materials. Sulfur and phosphorus as fireworks and crackers and other explosive materials, we use sulfur and phosphorus. And carbon as a fuel, we know coal, petroleum, all these components which are used as fuel in industry level, at domestic level, all are having carbon as the main component. So that's why carbon is used as a fuel. So these are some important uses of non-metals and metals. Thank you.